It's a sorry day when a man's friends don't trust him.
What about all those provisions? You don't suppose that boat of yours could carry them?
Frank, I want you to take all those provisions, and I want you to... Hey, be careful with that.
We'll be at King's Point in Australia. When you call us, we want you to use the following code. King's Point is Briar Patch. I'm Big Bad Wolf. Stebbings here is Bo Peep. And you're...
Mother Goose, sir.
That's it, you're Mother Goose. Now try and remember all that, Walter. It's bloody important.
Yeah, bloody.
All right then. Goodbye, Mother Goose.
Mother Goose.
Let's get underway, Stebbings.
Sir, it has occurred to me that as soon as we've gone, Mr. Eklund might...
Proceed, Stebbings. Hard a port.
Aye, sir. Coxswain, hard... Excuse me, sir, but did you say...
Hard a port, son.
Aye, aye, sir. Coxswain, hard a port.
Hey, hold it, are you crazy? Look out, Frank! Did you hear me? Hold it, starboard, Frank! Hold it, now, watch out! Oh, you got nuts! Look out, Frank, can you hear me? Hold it, starboard, you England City son of a... Oh, Christ! Have you lost your mind? Look at my boat!
Terribly sorry, Walter. Our steering must have jammed. I'm sorry.
If you didn't know how to work one of those things, why didn't you say so?
I'm sorry.
Oh, stop saying that! Look at my boat! What am I going to do now?
Become a coast watcher, I expect.